Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm doing a product review, but alright, so this video is about vacuum storage bags by Maggie Home.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living.
Just check to see if you're subscribed. Don't forget to put the little bell in so you'll know when a new video of mine is coming out. Thanks again for your support. Now, my mother used to have them. This is my mother's bag. And what happens is these little seal things, they have to be perfectly aligned. And if they're not aligned or if they're too old, they don't work anymore. So this can make a nice bag to hold something, but it will never be a vacuum bag. Now what I've done is I've already put in 2 bags. These are comforters, and I'm showing you this one here. This is a blanket. I'm going to shove it in a minute. You want to push it as far back as you can, because you have a line over there where you can't go past that line. It kind of makes sense. You put it in the next layer on top. Okay. And then you just turn it sideways and just seal it down. Now it's easy. These are brand new. It shouldn't give me any trouble. And then you go through and you just make sure that the line is well sealed. And there's 2 rows of that. Okay. Let me show you how that works now. Then you get a vacuum cleaner. I've had this Airtight for like 30 years. It's like a Timex of vacuums. And then you take this cap off. You hold on to it, and then of course you have to turn on the electrical. Now, why do you want this? Gives you a chance to be able to also protect something that's important to us. My mother gave this to us, and we want to hold on to it. We don't want the bugs to damage it, you know. Sometimes some moths can do that. We want to find a way to control it better, and this is perfect. Now let me turn the camera around and put this in my linen closet, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And this is my living closet. Then you can pick the entire thing up and shove it in. Okay, now it works. Alright, let's see if it bends. Alright. So I fold this one in half, and it fits. Let's see if I can get the other one in. This one is really the thicker of both of them. Alright, that's not going to work. Okay. This may not be the perfect place to make it work, but it is going to work. So now you've seen a simple way to be able to basically squash down your linens that you're not using. I'm probably going to move this to the garage area and put it in a bin and just write down comforter or whatever. And then being in plastic, I know it's going to be protected from if there's any bugs or any moths, so I won't have to worry about it. Now I got 5 of these for about $22 on Amazon. I'll put all the information in, you'll see that before you even see this video. Alright, thanks a lot for watching us, and we'll see you in our next video. I don't really go out of my way every video and say, hey, I really need your help, I really would like you guys to subscribe, I really would like you to press the little bell. I like to just put out the video. If you like it, you leave a comment. If you don't like it, you give me a thumbs up. Some people do that, whatever. But I really do appreciate it. If you're just watching this for the first time, please subscribe to me. I'm a small YouTuber. I'm trying to get over 3,000 subscribers. I'm really close to that. But I would really love it if you were to subscribe to me, support me, watch my videos. They're going to be a lot more interesting. So, future videos are going to show you my travels at 72 years old. And I will show you my first flight. I don't know which side of the screen it's going to be on, but wherever the screen is, plus the subscribe button, help me out. The more subscribers I get, the more interesting videos I can give you. This is basically going to be vegan living on the road. I'm going to share the vegan food that I see and what I have had to adjust on the plane or adjust to be able to see the different areas I'm going to be at. So I need your support. Thank you so much for doing that. And thank you for continuing to support me in your comments.